shoes is past work. It does.
He's going past us. Why would you let him go past us?
Because I want to be able to see him.
Sorry.
Connor, you need to turn away. Turn, yeah, that just like that. Keep going. There you go.
I'm pretty good by myself. I'm good.
Keep going, buddy.
Without me, you wouldn't be able to go this far.
Hey, Connor, turn and wave at the camera.
I don't think you should do that this time.
It's cool. Wave. Do you dig this, Connor?
Yeah, I dig it.
Okay.
I'm gonna dig into the reading. How about that? Dig into the reading.
All right.
Just gonna get right here.
Bring your sketch pad, Morgan?
Yes.
Well, at some point, your mom would have decided to get out and walk. And then your sketch pad would be compromised. That's what would happen.
It's so wet.
Yeah. How you doing, bud?
Did you see me like pushing away from you?
Yeah, sure did.
My butt's the wrong way. Oh, yeah, right. Sorry.
The side you're pushing on, it makes the boat go out.
What you want to do is pace yourself with her, Morgan. Like when she moves, like go with, no, stop. Watch what she's doing and then go with her. There you go, exactly. Then you can do this. You don't have to turn it, it's double-ended. It's okay, that works, never mind. As long as it's working.
Woo!
All right.
On an adventure? Guys, are we at